Goedemorgen, good morning, Dumela, guten Morgen, konnichiwa. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet two together. Please note that is a UK term. In US it would be a single crochet two together. In Afrikaans werk twee kortbene tesame. It is also known as a double crochet decrease, and that kind of says what it is used for. It is used to decrease the number of stitches, and the reason for that is one of two reasons mostly. It is either part of a shaping of the project, and that's also the most common reason, or sometimes it is used to manipulate the stitch count, especially if you need a specific stitch multiple for a certain pattern. So how do we do that? As the name says, double crochet two together, it is a variant of double crochet. So we start by doing a double crochet. Insert the hook, unless your pattern specifies otherwise, then insert underneath both loops, yarn over and draw up a loop. You now have two loops on the hook, the one that you started off with and the one working into the first stitch for the double crochet. Normally for a double crochet you would now yarn over and pull through both, but we're not going to do that. Do not complete the stitch. Instead, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. You now have three loops on the hook. One loop that we started with, one loop from the first double crochet, and one loop from the second double crochet. And now we will double crochet two together. So yarn over and draw through all three loops on the hook, effectively taking these two separate stitches and turning them into one stitch. Let's do that again. Insert the hook, yarn over and draw up a loop. Do not complete the stitch, but instead insert again, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through all three stitches on the hook. We will do this one or two more times. Insert into the next stitch, which will be the first double crochet, and draw up a loop, and then the second double crochet, draw up a loop, and those two double crochets is worked together. Insert into the next stitch, draw up a loop, insert into the next stitch, draw up a loop again, yarn over and pull through both. As you can already see, it is impacting the shape. It's turning into a little half moon here. This was a double crochet two together. Of course, any number of double crochets can be worked together. So to double crochet three together, the same procedure. Insert the hook, draw up a loop. First double crochet has a loop, do not complete the stitch. Insert the hook again, yarn over and draw up a loop. Now there are three loops on the hook from two double crochets. And to double crochet three together, insert again, draw up a loop again. You have four loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all four loops. This will crochet three double crochets into one stitch. One more time, in case any of my footage was not clear in camera view or out of focus or those kind of things. You have the beginning loop on hook, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. You have two loops on hook. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up another loop, yarn over and pull through all three loops to make double crochet two together. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have fun crafting!